Good morning, student. Today we are going to read in Geography chapter 5 Industries. In this chapter we are going to read the topic Factor Affecting Location of Industries. This topic we have discussed in section A, but section B it was not completed, so I repeat that in a short way. That's why we can understand properly. Factor, if you are going to establish, or any person though who is the industrialist or who try to establish industries, some important things those are required for that person for establishment of the industries. The factors are availability of raw material, power, labor, capital, transport, market, communication, water availability, etc. So these are the factors. Those are very important for establishment of the industries. One by one we have seen here raw material. For the purpose of industries, this is very required. Raw material. By raw material means industries, we are using the raw material into the useful goods. So the raw material like wood, coal, iron, these are the raw material. By using these things, we make the useful goods. Use of the wood. If the availability of wood is maximum in that place, we can establish the industry of paper. If the iron availability is more, we can establish the iron and steel plant. Second, energy resources. As you know, in the industries, we use the heavy machineries. It is run with the help of electricity or energy. So it is required for the person to sources of the energy in the term of coal, petroleum or electricity. Next one, water. Water is the multi-purpose use. Okay, we are coolant and bleaching the things. So water is very important. After the production, the water should be drainage from the industries. So this is the proper drainage system, and or the requirement of the water is very important. Capital means money. If you invest maximum amount of the money, you can establish the big industries. If you invest the minimum quantity of the money, you can establish the small industries. Availability of labor in the industries for collecting the raw material, for the process, for the manufacturing the things, for the running of the machineries, the peoples are required. Those peoples are labor. So it is very important for the industries that the labor should be arranged properly on that place where we are going to establish the industries. Transport system of the carrying of raw material and transport of the manufactured good. It is very important for the industry that the transporting system should be very good. If the transporting system is not good, we cannot collect the raw material from the different places, and after the manufacturing the goods, we cannot transport into the market. Next one, availability of market. If you make industries in any place, it is very important the market should be there of that thing which we are produce in the industries. If you are make the biscuit, you establish the industries of biscuit or industry of the iron. So requirement of the iron, requirement of the biscuit is very maximum in those areas. That is called the market. So availability of market is very important for the industry. So these are the factors. Then industrial system. When we establish an industry, the system is work same as we do the agriculture. In agriculture, first we cultivating the field, then sowing the seed, then irrigation, then after that throwing the manure and fertilizers. Then after that, when the crops are matured, we harvest and store at home. This is the process, same as there is a system in industry also. First input, first we collect the raw material, and that raw material, the source of power and the labors, these all are come in the input. First we give the input to the industries, then that input do the manufacture the things. So that is called process. In the process means the method or technique by the help of which we convert the raw material into useful goods. Then after that useful goods which is manufactured by the industry, this is called the outputs. For example, you have seen here cotton textile mills. In the main input is cotton. If there is a cotton textile mill, the input is cotton, human labor and cost of the building and factory transport. The process is cotton textile in mill is the cotton is ginning, spinning, threading, weaving and dyeing and printing of cloth. This is the process. After that the garment is prepared and that garment is finished in the term of cloth. Up industrial region, up in the whole world there is a different places, those are very important for the industries. The maximum quantity of the industries are established there. They are have the major producer of the different goods in whole the world. That is called industrial region. First one, northern USA, including northern USA and Canada. This is the place northern US, the Canada and the North America is the belt of the industrial region. Second, western and central Europe. As we know, Britain, this is the first country who established the industry first in the world. So in European countries, the England, Rhine River passing through Germany, France, these are Italy, these are the countries, those are come in the industrial region in the South Central Europe. And in the Eastern Europe, the Ukraine, Moscow, Russia, and these are also come in the category of the industrial region. Then Australia and New Zealand. In India, the different places are industrial, come in the industrial region in India, like Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Hooghly region means Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Baroda belt, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam, Guntur belt, Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut belt, and Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster. So these are the industrial based area in our country. Okay, then after that we are going to read the distribution of major industry in the world. Okay, iron and steel, textile and information technology is the major industry in the world. In all over the world, the steel, the textile, the information technology, this is the major industries. These are the big industries. And while iron and steel are old industries, information technology is the new industries. Iron and steel, these are the form of old type of industries. But in currently new method of the industries is information technology, that is called IT industries, computer and science technology. So the new industry is called the sunrise industries. So the information technology, the computer, IT technology, IT industry is called the sunrise industries. While iron and steel industries mainly located in Germany, USA, China, Japan, Russia, textile industry mainly located in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, major hubs of IT, information technology are called Silicon Valley. Bangalore in India. Silicon Valley, it is found in California. The Bangalore city of India. It is called the Silicon City of India because it is very developed in the computer and technology. Okay. In the IT sector means in computer and information technology center, in computer and technology basis, Bangalore is the very developed city of our country. So Bangalore is called the California Silicon City of the world, and California called the Silicon City of the world, and Bangalore is called the Silicon Valley of the India. Iron industries and industries today, modern world, iron and steel industry is very considered as a indicator of the economic development of progress because role of various sectors like housing, transport and communication and shipbuilding and automobiles manufacturing etc. We have seen iron and steel in any country. If it is developed in the iron and steel, it is called the very developed country because iron and steel is the most required minerals, most required substance for any country because of it is used in many purpose like housing, transporting, communication, shipbuilding and automobiles. You have seen a lot of automobiles, bus, truck, vehicles, tractors, trains, in building, in bridge. You have seen these all are made by the iron and steel. Okay, why the iron is so important? That there is some characteristic. Iron durable, it is very durable means long lasting and very strong. Iron can be saved in different way. This is easily available and has cheap production cost. Can be easily mixed with the alloy metal. So these are the characteristic of iron. That's why iron is very important for the any country. Processing of iron and steel. Okay. And we are going to read this from here on the next video. So thank you for watching that.